The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. There are 8 planets in our solar system and they all revolve around the Sun. Let's have a brief discussion on it. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Its orbit around the Sun takes 225 Earth days. Next, Earth, our home. It is the third planet from the Sun. Its orbit around the Sun takes 365 Earth days. Earth has a natural satellite named Moon. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Mars God is the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as Red Planet. Its orbit around the Sun takes 686 Earth days. Mars has 2 relatively small natural moons, natural satellite. The names are Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 12 years. It is named after the Roman god Jupiter. Jupiter has 79 moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. Saturn is named after the Roman god of wealth and agriculture. Its orbit around the Sun takes 29 years. The planet's most famous feature is its prominent ring system, which is composed mostly of ice particles with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust. At least 82 moons are known to orbit Saturn, of which 53 are officially named. Titan is the Saturn's largest moon. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus was the first planet discovered in the modern age. Its orbit around the Sun takes 84 years. Uranus has 27 known natural satellites. The 5 main satellites are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania and Oberon. Neptune is the 8th and furthest known solar planet from the Sun. The planet orbits the Sun once every 164.8 years. Neptune has 14 known natural satellites. Triton is the largest Neptunian moon, comprising more than 99.5% of the mass in orbit around Neptune, named after the Roman god of the sea. Pluto is the 9th largest and 10th most massive known object directly orbiting the Sun. Outside of Neptune's orbit is a ring of icy bodies. We call it the Kuiper Belt. This is where you will find the dwarf planet Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930. It was declared to be the 9th planet from the Sun. But according to the International Astronomical Union, downgraded the status of Pluto to that of a dwarf planet because it did not meet the 3 criteria the IAU uses to define a full-sized planet. Eris is the most massive and second largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. Eris was discovered in January 2005. Eris does not clear out its orbit, so it did not meet one of the requirements. Consequently, it was placed in the newly created category of dwarf planet along with Pluto and Ceres, which also did not meet all of the requirements to be called a planet. The dwarf planet of Pluto has 5 natural satellites in order of distance from Pluto. They are Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos and Hydra. Hey guys, if you like the video, then please press the like button and don't forget to share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.